Nothing is better than a good homemade vinaigrette. Now, vinaigrettes are infinitely variable. You can experiment with different oils, such as grapeseed oil, olive oil, canola oil, hazelnut oil, walnut oil. You can also experiment with different kinds of acids, champagne vinegar, sherry vinegar, rice wine vinegar, one of my favorites, red wine vinegar, and even white or red balsamic vinegar. You can also add cheeses and spices and herbs, anchovies. But for such a simple preparation, it's vital to use the very, very best ingredients because there are only 5 or 6 ingredients, including salt and pepper, in a vinaigrette. You start first with the acid. I think I'll do a rice wine vinaigrette. Again, measure your ingredients. I'll do 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. That means how many tablespoons of oil? 9. Salt, a little bit more salt this time. And rice wine vinegar has a kind of a little bit of a sweetness to it, and I enhance the sweetness with just a pinch of sugar. I think it tastes really good. Black pepper. And we'll do a grapeseed oil. Very nice, almost flavorless oil, but it really mixes nicely with the rice wine vinaigrette. We're going to measure 9 tablespoons. Nine tablespoons of grapeseed oil. And I'm going to put a little bit of mustard. And shake. So this looks very nice. Of course, tastes very good. Very nice, light vinaigrette. You can add fresh coriander to this, chopped. You could do chives. You could add shallots to this one if you like. But this will be very nice over butter lettuce or any very delicate greens like mesclun salad. Very easy to make, no need to go out and buy jarred salad dressings when you can make vinaigrettes so very easily in your own kitchen.